and welcome to our YouTube channel Power Minions. This is Sushain, and today we'll be discussing about what Power Apps is, why do we need it, what are some of its advantages and disadvantages, and what how it looks like in the UI. So, without any further delay, let's start. Let's first of all let us get into the concept of what Power Apps is. So Power Apps is a platform provided by Microsoft. Microsoft has provided us three platforms. One of them is Power BI, second is Power Apps, third is Power Automate. So today we'll be talking about Power Apps. Power Apps is a platform provided by Microsoft which helps us or the organizations to create applications without any form of coding required. So it is also called as low code or no code platform. On your screen, you can see I have opened the login page of the UI of Power Apps, how it looks like. So the very first thing you can see over here is it's showing start from data, which means it's showing us all the data sources. If I click on the arrow and let us give it a second, yeah, you can see over here I have n number of options from where I can fetch my data wherever I want. So if I click on new connection, see there are so many types of options we have from where we can access our data, be it Amazon Redshift, be it Box, be it Business Central, be it Dropbox, anything you name it, it has all those uh, options available with us. So we can fetch data from anywhere. This is the basic the the basic criteria of creating any application in Power Apps. That is, you have to first fetch the uh, data source from any file or anywhere external website. So if I scroll down, you can see over here there are three options. We have in Power Apps three options given to us. Basically three types of applications we can create. One is Canvas app, one is model driven app, last one is portal. We'll be discussing it in detail. If I scroll more towards, if I go on this left side, you can see there are so many options that Power Apps is showing us. uh, but if I go to create and if I scroll down, you can see there is a option start from template. That means if for example there is a beginner level person in Power Apps who doesn't know anything about Power Apps, how to create applications, uh, how to deal with the codings. There is not coding required in Power Apps, but there is some expressions like we need to sometimes write some if conditions like that. Not entire coding, but some. So if he doesn't know anything about Power Apps, what he can do is he can just click on create and scroll down. You'll find there are n number of options available, provided by Microsoft in Power Apps, which the person can use and have a look of like he can see the templates, he can understand what is going on in those applications, and he will get an idea of what Power Apps is and how to deal with it. So if whatever you want to work on, you can just you can all you need to do is just click on any one of the options or templates that are given, and you are good to go. So this was all about. If I show mine, let me scroll it up. See, I have created almost various number of applications in my Power Apps. So we'll be getting a deep dive of these applications one by one in our upcoming videos. So please do subscribe for that, and let's jump on to our second question. Why do we need it? I answered this already. Like, we whenever we want to create any kind of applications, we can use the Power Apps. Now talking about its advantages, as I said in the very first beginning, that it requires low code or no code. So that means it doesn't require any kind of coding. And if there is any coding, it is very, very easy to grab for any person who does not have any understanding of programming concepts. One. Second, the we can integrate artificial intelligence in this power apps, which makes our application very much easy. Third, the interface of power apps is very much pretty much comfortable for anyone who be it a experienced person or be it a beginner level person. And fourth, the speed, like we can create, as I said, there is little or very none programming required in power apps. So the speed at which we create the applications is very fast. We can create the application at a very rapid pace. So these are some of the advantages. Now talking about the disadvantage, there's only one disadvantage about it in power apps. In the very beginning I said power apps is a platform provided by Microsoft. So there's a rule for Microsoft that if I scroll down, let me scroll it down. Yeah. So if the only disadvantage with power apps is we have to log in using our work or school email ID. We can't log in into our using a personal mail ID. It will show an error. Microsoft has a rule: we cannot use personal mail ID for our power apps, Power BI, Power Automate, these three tools. So this is the only disadvantage with this. So I have, as you can see, I have created a company mail ID, office and corporate mail ID in Microsoft.com. Using Microsoft.com, I have created this corporate mail ID. That is why I have logged in into my Power applications. So hope you would have enjoyed it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down in the bottom of the screen. You can of the video, you can comment down whatever feedbacks. Your feedbacks will be appreciated, be it negative, positive. We will appreciate it with both open hands. And see you in our next video. Thank you.